Hey there! Good to see you again. Welcome to Smart Farm Insight. Potatoes are one of the most important staple crops on the planet. From Asia to Europe, from America to Africa, this humble tuber feeds billions of people every single day. Globally, more than 380 million tons of potatoes are produced each year, making it the fourth most important food crop after corn, wheat, and rice. But how does a potato go from a rough, dusty tuber buried in the soil to crispy French fries, golden chips, fluffy mash, and hundreds of other products loved around the world? Today we'll follow that entire journey, from field preparation and planting to modern harvesting, processing, and global consumption. The journey starts long before any potato is planted. Farmers begin by preparing the land and selecting planting material known as seed potatoes. These are not seeds in the usual sense, but small whole potatoes, or cut pieces of larger potatoes that contain at least one eye, the bud that will sprout into a new plant. Only high-quality seed potatoes are used. They must be free from pathogens, have uniform size, and come from certified sources. Planting usually takes place in early spring, when soil temperatures reach around 7 degrees 10 degrees Celsius, about 45 degrees or 50 degrees. At this point, the soil is plowed and loosened to create a fluffy structure, well drained to avoid waterlogging and root rot. Slightly acidic and rich in nutrients, farmers form raised beds or ridged rows. Once the field is prepared, automated planters place each seed potato at the correct depth, usually 5-10 centimeters below the soil surface, and at a set distance within each row. Proper spacing ensures that each plant has enough room to develop a strong root system and a cluster of tubers. After planting, the soil is gently compacted to maintain good contact between the seed piece and the surrounding soil, helping it absorb moisture and begin sprouting. In just a couple of weeks, green shoots emerge from the ground. From this point, the plants need consistent moisture, balanced nutrients, protection from weeds and pests. Modern farms often use drip or sprinkler irrigation systems to deliver water directly where it's needed, reducing waste and limiting disease pressure. Pest and disease management is just as important. Potatoes are vulnerable to insects like aphids and beetles, and diseases like late blight. With careful management, the plants develop lush green canopies above ground, while tubers form and swell invisibly below the surface. After several weeks of growth, potato plants begin to flower. The blossoms can be white, pink, purple, or blue, depending on the variety. While the flowers are visually striking, the real focus is below ground. From the underground stems called stolons, the plant begins forming tubers. The foliage starts to yellow and die back as the plant diverts its energy into finishing the tubers. When the tops are fully mature and dry, it's almost time for harvest. In the past, potatoes were harvested almost entirely by hand, a back-breaking task. Today, modern machinery has transformed this step. On large farms, potato harvesters, massive machines pulled by tractors or self-propelled, dig into the soil, lift the ridge, and gently separate the tubers from the dirt and plant material. Inside the harvester, a digging blade or share loosens the soil beneath the row. Conveyor belts lift the soil, and tubers, shaker systems, and webs allow soil and small stones to fall away. Rollers and cleaning units remove remaining clods and vines. High-end harvesters are equipped with sensors, cameras, and sorting systems that can detect and remove damaged or undersized potatoes right in the field. This speeds up later processing and improves overall quality. Despite the power of these machines, they're designed to handle tubers gently, minimizing bruising and skin damage. A well-tuned harvester can cover dozens of acres per day, dramatically reducing labor needs and helping farmers harvest within the optimal window. Once collected, the potatoes are transferred into bulk trailers or trucks, then transported either to storage facilities or directly to processing plants, depending on the final use. For fresh market or processing use throughout the year, potatoes are stored in specialized warehouses. These facilities control temperature. Proper storage can keep potatoes marketable for many months without significant loss of quality. Before processing, potatoes are moved from storage and loaded onto conveyor systems at the factory. At the processing facility, the potatoes begin a more industrial journey. First, they are washed thoroughly using high-pressure water sprays and rotating drum washers to remove soil, sand, and any remnants of the field. Next comes peeling. For products like chips and fries, the skins are removed using abrasive peelers with rotating rollers, steam peelers that loosen the skin, which is then washed away. These technologies reduce waste. While achieving consistent, clean surfaces. Any remaining peel fragments or defects are detected by optical sorting machines and removed. After peeling, the potatoes are cut depending on the intended product. Thin, uniform slices for potato chips. Long, even strips for French fries. Diced pieces for soups, frozen mixes, or ready meals. For French fries, the cut strips are blanched briefly in hot water or steam. This step removes excess surface sugars and deactivates enzymes, helping maintain color and texture. The fries are then dried with warm air to remove surface moisture. After that, they are partially fried in hot oil to set the outer layer. Finally, the fries are rapidly frozen in industrial freezers to lock in quality and extend shelf life. They are then packed in large bags or boxes for distribution to fast food chains, supermarkets, and food service buyers. For potato chips, thin slices are rinsed to remove starch. They enter continuous fryers where they are cooked in oil at around 175 degrees. After frying, excess oil is removed, and the chips are seasoned with salt or flavorings, such as barbecue, sour cream and onion, or cheese. The chips then cool and are packed into nitrogen-filled bags to keep them crisp and prevent oxidation. In both cases, strict quality control checks color, texture, oil content, moisture level, and flavor. The next time you open a bag of chips, dip a fry into ketchup or enjoy a creamy serving of mashed potatoes. You'll know the long path that brought that simple, familiar food to your plate. It's a story of hard work, innovation, and the quiet power of one of humanity's most important crops.